Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magazi where imina ingane yamakhehla madala amakhehla amakhulu amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing and sharing light for the world to become better. Today, I want to speak about ukuhlambulula ukugeza isithunzi because I got a comment, someone saying, how do you geza isithunzi? Usigeza kanjani isithunzi? First things first, mawuzohamba uyohlola bese bathi ugeza isithunzi, did they give you any information of like or knowledge ukuthi kuzomela ukuthi ugeze isithunzi because of 1 2 3 4 5 because of isithunzi umoya natural and we cleanse every day, sigeza every day. You stay in positive spaces, you don't become involved with everyone else because into engizoyiphakamisa is that esikhathini esiningi makuzothiwa kuzomela ukuthi wena uyogeza, mhlawumbe lo muntu okuhlolayo usuke abonile ukuthi ushaywe ngeichitho eziningi, ugadlwe kakhulu, or you've been around, like you've been around and there is nothing that you have done to cleanse yourself. So just for you to be aligned kahle, bazokutshela ukuthi kuzomela ukuthi uhambe uyogeza, uyohlambulula ingilosi, uyoyenzani, but akufanani, asifani masingabantu. So I urge people ukuthi when they go and consult and then babatshela ukuthi kuzomela ukuthi bageza, ask for more information ukuthi okay, njengoba kuthiwa ngigeze, uchazisele ukuthi ugezela u1 u2 u3, ugeza ukuthi kube kanje khona kuzoba kanje bese kube kanje. Simple as that. Because of in my journey, into engiyikhumbulayo is that I didn't necessarily have to go to like mhlambe ngemanzini emfuleni kuthiwa kuyofakwa mina, cha. I only did that when I went to church. But initially when I just started off as a prayer warrior, and then the only thing engayenza, it's like ngafakiwe ebhavini, nokubona mabakwenzela ibhavu kuthela amanzi and then bahlanganise lezi iwasho zakhona kukhuleke. That was it. So izimo zethu azifani, and from that day onwards I was on my own. I continued to pray. So being a self-initiate, amajeni to our fun, you may come across someone who just shows you, coaches you indlela kuyiyona nekumele ukuthi uyihambe, akunike everything on that particular day ukuthi kuzoba kanje. You take that, you run with it. You pray, and you see things unfold. Isikhathi masiloko lesenzani sihamba. So to the person who's asked about ukugeza kwesithunzi, ukuhlambulula kwesithunzi, when you about umuntu onengilosi ephakeme, if kuneyikhali, kunamajazi wabogogo nabomkhulu ngaphakathi kwekhala lakho ofuna ukuzisebenzisa, ofuna ukuyiphakamisa lezi zinto lezo, kuzomela vele ukuthi uyihlambulule. Kodwa asithi unikiwe isiphika sakho, unikiwe isikhali sakho. It's not like isikhali bese esakho uphiwe into zakho. The only thing that you need to do, you just need to bless those things. Simple as that. And thina seyabantu abakhulekayo esihlola ngalo ikhanda, you will have to pray. Ukhuleke ujule, ukhuleke kakhulu, ukhuleke non-stop, ukhuleke into efunakalayo. So esikhathini esiningana esithunzi, makuzofuna ukuthi wena ugeze mthwahlambulula isithunzi sakho, ukhumbule lo moya owesithunzi, nawe you are one. So if you're gonna go around umuntu ohlezi usebantwini, relationships, uphuma kule relationship, ungena kule relationship, you are all over. Because of many things is that when I reflect back and look at my journey, I can even count the people that I've dated, because of I'm just like, now it makes sense, why wasn't like I wasn't that type of a person. Even when I was at varsity, I was never that person who wants to be all over. Oh, ziwapi, I want to be in that party, I want to be in that concert, I want to be that thing. Ulo moya engibathiswe wona ukuthi ungihlengile uhamba nami ngaso sonke isikhathi, angenzi noma yini le engifisa ukuyenza, and all of that, you know. So I'm grateful for that, because of even today I enjoy my own company. I can stay by myself, and while I'm by myself I enjoy my own company because of thoughts, visions, wisdom, messages just comes. God speaks to me and makes me understand some certain things ezingivelele ku-journey yami, yinto engifuna ukuyiphakamisa. So mozothi you go and consult utshelo ngokuthi kuzomela ukuthi ugeze, it is because of the healer sees ukuthi you've been through a lot, koningi osundlule kuwo, so kuzomela ukuthi uhlanjululwe, ugeziswe kahle, ube right, and that's it. And the two, uma uhamba nomoya clean, you need to remain clean. If you don't, uzobona ngathi awuphuphi kahle, izinto zakho azihambi kahle. And to be quite honest, uma uhamba ngomoya nje uhlambulukile, uzodinga ukuthi ukhuleke, ngoba umkhuleko unamandla, because of abantu ungaloko luhamba umphophomo, uwahamba amanzi, but if awukhuleki, chabo, cha, angeke uzubone lezinto ekumele ukuthi uzibone. But by praying, ingilosi ziyaphakama, ingilosi ziyakusebenzela, ziyakubonisa ukuthi what's next, what needs to happen. So to the person who's asked, please guys, zifundise going forward ukuthi when you go and consult and then you are told ukuthi you are supposed to do a certain ritual like this, or peace wash or uphiwa in, buza ukuthi why uphiwa lento, uyisebenzisa kanjani, in all of that, in so that when you use it now you understand ukuthi okuthiwa ngiyisebenzise kanje nakanje. Makuthiwa hayi sizoya emanzini uhamba uyogeza in sometimes njengoba ngishilo ukuthi mina ngafakwa nje ebhavini, ngangena ebhavini, abanye abantu uyabayenzela amabhavu. I've done the bhavu for other people. So sometimes awenzela abantu ibhavu, umuntu umenzela nje ibhakede nje, umenzela amanzi siwasho leso, ukuthi yazi uzogeza, mawuqeda ukugeza uthathe leli bhakede uhamba uyozirinsa ngalo, uyozigeza ngalo, ugeze ngalo. Simple as ABC. So kusuke kungafanani, because of I've helped very old people because of this one time that I remember. Lo muntu unengilosi ephakeme nami akwazi ukungibonela mina as the healer, but at that point in time there was something that I was seeing that just needed her to cleanse. Basically sibuyisa in isimo senhlanhla ke sibuyisa amandla akhe, because of kuko konke lokho ajikijelwa ngakho uyakhathala, akakhuleki enough. So uyajikijelwa in the spirit, uyakhathala nawe ukhuleki, ukukhathala kwakho, it makes all these negative things that are just being thrown at you, they create this big wall, or they create this energy that is just heavy and dark on you. Uthi uma uhamba lasestradini abantu bangakuboni kahle, ubone ngathi into zakho azikhambele kahle, like nawe ube dala. Kanti immediately when you dream about such, uma ubona ngathi uyagadliwa, you really need to act and continue to pray, ufoste. Noma ngalelo langa lelo wenza umthandazo omncane, but at least kukhona okwenzile, kukhona okulusile. So by just doing lelo bhavu for this particular client, all right. And then they came with feedback, yes, and thank you so much, because of I feel lighter, sekuyakhanya manje namaphupho ami ayabuya. Oh, thank you so much. So kunjalo, sometimes sihlangabezana nabantu aba wrong, sihamba nabantu aba wrong, we are in wrong crowds, la sihamba khona siyagadlwa, sithandana nabantu abangekho right. That eventually leads to us singcola, you know. And when you always want to be in other people's funerals. You want to attend each and every funeral. That's not good. That's not good. Umuntu onesiphiwo onengilosi yokhanya emhlophe qwa ayidinge kungcoliswa. You bath, you stay clean, you pray, you don't involve yourself everywhere. You become exclusive. I'm not saying unga attend ama event wabantu, but even if you attend uyahlala uyafika uhlala ujabule, you don't even have to eat sometimes at these people's events, and then you leave. That's it. Hayi ukuthi wena nje ugcwala amathafa all over. Yes, uzoba nenkinga. Imagine thina esingagcwala amathafa. You're always in one space. You go to work, you come back, you just do your normal routines. But you still usagadla. Still usadinga ukuthini? Ukhuleka ukuxosha lowo moya omubi, because of it's so beautiful in the spirit. Mabakubonisa ukuthi lezi zinto abakujijela ngaso, they just wanna mess you up. I've once said this, omunye umuntu wamangala mangithi there are spiritual pimples. Thola ukuthi umuntu ubumoshekile and stuff. Kuthi kunama-pimple are-spiritual. Thola ukuthi uloko luyakhala. Usho ukuthi uphuphe kabi, uphupha amanzi angcolile, uphupha. But all of a sudden when you're having changes in your faces, you need to pray. You need to cleanse. You need to protect yourself. God, how many people are aware of those things? Because of into eyenzakale ephupheni, into eyenzakalelayo, you need to be aware of. Umuhle kakhulu uma uyibonile, because of now you must work on it. Uyilwise uthi uzibamba ubuso, so yezwa manje ukuthi hayi ngathi sengine-pimple, senginamanye amashashazo ongawa understand. Kanti with prayer ukhuleka uxoshe lo moya omubi awucindezelwa ngakho. Trust you me. Those abalokole abajikile abahlangana nabo bayomangala ukuthi kunensinzama, baze bazamule batha sikhathele. So to the person who's asked about ukuhlambulula ukugeza isithunywa, why sigezelwani? Sigezelwani isithunywa? Sigezelwa or uhlanjululwa because of kukhona into eboniwe from la uqubuka khona. Uza kanje siyabona ukuthi lo makangahlanjululwa kahle, agezwe kahle, ahanjiswe emanzini. Angithi abanye abantu bazothi hamba uye emfuleni, hamba emanzini, uhlanjululwe kahle bese uba right sharp. Some people, the places that you've been, the people that you've been with, is to asikwazi ucommunicate kahle nawe, to even the food that we eat, izinto esizidlayo nalendlela odla ngayo. I've touched on the food, on the intakes that we put in our system that sometimes slow us down. So you really need to pray and eat develop when you feel hungry. But when you're not hungry, you might as well not eat. Drink water, enough water to cleanse the system yakho, and ubone izinto zakho zikhambela kahle. Ngoba sizoqhamuka namhlanje bese ubona ngathi sinamanga masithi thina asiwaqiqi amanzi. Asiqiqi thina emanzini ukuthi njalo siyemanzini, njalo siyemanzini. Siyowenzani emanzini? Because of even the latest videos that you see online, it's just that nam ugcina kwami ukuyemanzini ngihamba nenkonzo, which was a very long time. Nanoma ngihamba ngihlane when I'm with a friend, because most of my friends are very spiritual. Mangizohamba nabangani bami siyehlane, mangifike ngibona ukuthi hayibo la ihlane yazi amakhehle ngihamba navela akwati nje ukuthi kungcolile lokungcolile. It's like sithi sizokhuleka la kanti sizothatha energy. So you go and consult, bakutshela ukuthi kumele ugezela lezi zinto zokuthi you've been around, you've picked up all these other energies. Now you need to cleanse and declutter and so konke lokho kumnyama. And when you were unaware ukuthi you were just collecting. So kebanzeni bakwethu, it's a beautiful thing, but mawufika lapha sometimes umoya wakho uvele nje yazini uqobeke. And when I reflect back, I've accompanied people even before I started working. Bengikhapha abantu mina, even family, bantu basekhaya bomndeni, bakhapha emanzini. Kodwa uzothi ungafika lapho kulelo hlane lelo or kulawo mazi lawo kunamakhandlela abovu, kunamaphenti, kunani, hey, kunezinto eziningi. And to me would be like, I would never kneel on this dirty space. I would never. Angengikwenze lokho. Hawu, ngithi ngiyakhuleka nje kunamaphenti abantu engazazi izibani zabantu ezisakhanya. Cabanga isibani somuntu sishiyekile lapha sisakhanya. So guys, yo. So asifanani. So I can't lie to you and say, hey, ngizokusa emanzini. Cha, mina personally ngihamba amanzi yazini nginendlela yami yokwenza. Akube umusa nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu. Stay blessed.